Bangkok has multiple modes of transportation. There is heavy rush during peak periods in the morning and in the evening. One has to choose the transportation based on budget, vacation period, time of day, convenience and any other factors. There are tuk-tuks, songatus, taxis, motorbike taxis, buses, minivans, metros, boats, ferries available for transportation. Negotiate the price before taking the ride in tuk-tuks, sangatus, some motorbike taxis and some taxis. This view is from the Ambike Center. Tuk-tuks have one wheel in the front and two wheels at the back. The driver sits in the only seat in the front. 2 to 3 people can sit in the seat at the back. Tuk-tuks are for short to medium distance travel. Songtas are 4-wheeler mini trucks with seats at the back in 2 rows, accommodating about 10 people. People can hop on and off these vehicles. They charge about 10 to 20 baht for short to medium distance. There you can see the Songta on the road. The popular taxi services in Bangkok are the Grab taxi and the Bolt taxi services. Grab is a little bit expensive than Bolt. There are motorbike taxis available in Bangkok. If the climate is good and there is no luggage, then motorbike taxis are a good choice. They are comparatively fast mode of commute than taxis. Minivans are fast transportation services for long distances. If you are not concerned about the time, then prefer buses. They are cheaper mode of transportation in Bangkok. Due to heavy traffic in Bangkok city, especially during peak hours, the best way to travel fast is by metro. Bangkok has metro system with various networks operating. They cover a large part of the Bangkok city. The main networks of metro are BTS, MRT, SRT and ARL. The development is going on and there may be some changes. BTS has Sukhumvit line that runs from Keha to Kukot, Silom line that runs from National Stadium to Bangwa, and the Gold line that runs from Krung Thonburi to Klong San. MRTA Blue line runs around central Bangkok through Thafra, Chatuchak Park, Sukhumvit, Silom up to Lakson. MRTA Yellow line runs from Lat Phrao to Samrong, MRT Purple line runs from Tawapun to Klong Bang Phai, and MRT Pink line runs from Nonthaburi Civic Center to Minipuri. SRT Dark Red line runs from Bangsu to Rangsit via Don Mueang Airport, and SRT Light Red line runs from Bangsu to Taling Chang. ARL is airport link that runs from Suvarnabhumi Airport to Phaya Thai via Makasan. Mochit and Asok stations connect Sukhumvit line and MRT Blue line. Siam station connects Sukhumvit and the Silom lines. Bangkok has river transport system with various boats and ferries operating in Chao Phraya River. The service is from around 6 am to 8 pm. They cover a large part of Bangkok city. Due to the heavy traffic in the city, especially during peak hours, the way to travel other than metro is by boats and ferries. Sathon is the central pier. It is located at exit 2 of BTS Sathon Taksin metro station. The piers to the north of the Sathon pier are depicted as N and to the south are depicted as S. The tourist boats are the Blue Flag Chao Phraya boats. They run every 30 minutes. They stop at about 11 piers. The boats with yellow flags run from Sathon Pier to Nonthaburi. The boats with orange flags run from Wat Rajsinghan to Nonthaburi. The boats with red flag run from Sathon Pier to Nonthaburi. The boats with yellow-green flags run from Sathon Pier to Pakrit. There are also hotel shuttles, charter boats and river cruises. There is also canal transport service. The nearest metro station to Grand Palace, Wat Pho, Wat Arun and National Museum is MRT Sanamchai. The nearest pier to these sightseeing places is Tachang Pier. The nearest metro station to Terminal 21 Mall is MRT Sukhumvit or BTS Asok. The nearest metro station to Icon Siam Mall is BTS Kring Thonburi of Silom Line. The nearest metro station to MBK Center, Bangkok Art and Cultural Center and Jim Thompson House is National Stadium of Silom Line. The nearest metro station to Mahanakan Skywalk is Chongnonsi of Silom Line. The nearest metro station to Chinatown is Wat Mang Kon. The nearest pier is Ratchawong Pier. The nearest metro station to Eastern Bus Station is BTS Ekamai. The nearest metro station to Siam Paragon, Siam Center, Siam Discovery, Siam Square One is BTS Siam of Sukhumvit Line. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon.